Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are standing in one of my favorite tree farms, one of my favorite people in the whole world. We've known each other for 40 years. This is a farm that we harvest out of when we have the opportunity. We don't do a lot of harvesting anymore. We actually have over 20 of our own fields, and we have stopped harvesting for the most part because what we harvest takes us away from what we have decided to do as a business, and that is to provide large, rare, and exotic palms and trees to the homeowners. We sell every kind of tree grown in Florida. We do not grow our own trees. We buy them from other tree farms. Take a look at what we've got here. These are ribbon palms behind me. We have cleaned a couple of them up. We're actually removing a truckload of these today. One of my favorite palms in the world because they weep. Now, if you look up on these, you can see that the upper fronds are drooping and they just kind of whisper in the wind. They are the only palm tree that does this. It's an amazing feature of a ribbon palm. Let me just see if I can adjust the camera a little bit so you can get a better view of the top of these trees. There you go, you can see them there. They're just whispering, they're twinkling, the light reflects off of them, and it gives you a wonderful look. These are in the Livistona family. They're cold hardy, disease free, and slow growing. All three are great assets in the queen palm world, or in the palm tree world. So we're the Tree Planters. Go there, thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get trees for you just like you want. Have a great day.